Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you that could change the way you create visuals for your business, social media, or personal projects. If you've ever struggled with designing graphics, whether it's for ads, social media posts, or branding, you know how time-consuming and costly it can be. But what if I told you that you could generate professional quality designs in just a few seconds? That's where MagicDesigners comes in. And today I'm diving deep into this AI-powered tool to see if it really lives up to the hype. Now, we all know that having great visuals is key to standing out, especially in today's digital world. But if you're not a designer, hiring a pro can be expensive, and learning complex design software can take forever. MagicDesigners is here to solve that problem with a platform that lets you create stunning designs without needing any design skills. It combines artificial intelligence with human expertise to deliver high-quality results in no time. Whether you're working on a logo, social media graphics, product photos, or any other design project, this tool promises to make the process faster and more affordable. So, how does it work? Well, it's incredibly simple. You start by choosing a designer, and the cool thing is that MagicDesigners gives you access to AI-powered designers, each with their own unique style. Once you select a designer, you just need to input your ideas or the concept you have in mind. You don't need to go into crazy detail, just a few words will do. And then, in a matter of seconds, your AI designer generates a high-quality graphic that matches your vision. That's it. No waiting around for days or weeks, no back-and-forth communication with a designer, just instant results. Now, let's talk about the features because there's a lot to unpack here. One of the things that really stood out to me is the variety of options MagicDesigners offers. For instance, when it comes to logos, you can choose from 5 different styles, whether you want something sleek and modern, bold and powerful, or even something more playful and creative. It's all about capturing your brand's personality in the perfect logo, and MagicDesigners makes it super easy to get there without the hassle. If social media is your focus, you're in for a treat. MagicDesigners helps you create scroll-stopping designs that will definitely capture attention. Whether you need a post for Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter, or LinkedIn, the tool helps you generate everything from promotional banners to viral quotes and branded content. What I love about this is that you can instantly produce these graphics without needing a designer or trying to figure out how to use complicated software. Just input your idea, and the AI does the rest. But it doesn't stop there. If you're in need of some professional photography but don't want to spend a fortune on a photo shoot, MagicDesigners has got you covered. The platform offers 10 different photography styles, from lifestyle shots to product images, perfect for industries like fashion, travel, e-commerce, and real estate. You get high-quality, pro-level visuals without stepping foot in a studio. Another feature that really impressed me is the ability to generate beautiful abstract backgrounds. You can create stunning backdrops to enhance your branding, social media posts, or even virtual meetings. These AI-generated backgrounds come in different styles, so whether you're after a clean, modern look or something more dynamic and textured, you're bound to find something that suits your needs. MagicDesigners also offers playful and creative doodle styles, which are great for adding personality to your designs. Whether you're looking for quirky illustrations or fun typography, these doodles give your content a unique, human touch. And if you need something more artistic, the platform also lets you create bold, expressive sketches in both black and white and vibrant colors. These can be perfect for things like storytelling visuals or creative marketing campaigns. Let's not forget about the AI-powered copywriting feature. If you've ever struggled with coming up with catchy captions or ad copy, MagicDesigners can help. Their AI can generate high-converting text for your social media posts, ads, and marketing materials in seconds, taking the guesswork out of writing persuasive content. What really makes MagicDesigners stand out is the speed and simplicity. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or even a freelancer, you can create stunning visuals in no time. without the steep learning curve of traditional design tools. Plus, everything is optimized for different platforms, so you don't have to worry about adjusting aspect ratios or pixel sizes for each platform. The tool handles all that for you, ensuring that your designs always look polished and professional. And the best part? MagicDesigners is not just for one-time use. With unlimited access to AI-generated designs, you can create as many visuals as you need without any restrictions. It's perfect for anyone who's working on multiple campaigns or needs a steady stream of content to keep their brand fresh. If you've been on the fence about whether to invest in this tool, here's the kicker. It's available for a one-time payment of just $37. That's right. For less than the cost of a single design from a professional designer, you can have access to an entire AI-powered design team, creating high-quality visuals at lightning speed. So, if you're looking to elevate your design game without breaking the bank or spending hours learning complicated software, MagicDesigners could be the solution you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you decide if this tool is the right fit for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried MagicDesigners or if you're thinking about giving it a go. See you in the next video.